In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom table to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. Whether you want to display data, organize information, or just add a touch of professionalism to your site, displaying a table can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once the page loads, find the Login button and click on it. Enter your account credentials, usually your email and password, to access your dashboard. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, there is often a Forgot Password option available, just in case. Upon successful login, you should see a list of your websites. From there, select the one you want to work on and click Edit Website. You've now prepared your site for some new content. Next, we'll create the table itself. For this step, I recommend visiting an online table generator like tablesgenerator.com. On the site, things are quite straightforward. You'll need to specify how many rows and columns you want for your table. Then, think about your headers. Those will help delineate the content you plan to present. One fun part is customizing the look. Play around with the styles like borders, alignment, and padding to suit your website's aesthetic. Once your table looks just the way you want it, click Generate to create the HTML code. Copy that code because we're going to embed it into your site in the next step. Now, we integrate your table into your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. On the left sidebar of the Builder interface, find and click on Add Elements. This section is where you can drag and drop various components onto your page. Look for the Embed Code element, then drag it to the exact spot where you'd like your table to be displayed. Click on Enter Code and paste the HTML code you copied earlier. Once pasted, click Embed Code to finalize the addition of your table. Finally, it's time to see how it all comes together. I highly recommend using the Preview feature to get a real-time look at how your table appears on both desktop and mobile views. This step is great for catching any little tweaks you might need to make. Make sure you're completely satisfied with how everything looks. Once you're positive everything's good to go, click Publish to make these changes live for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom table to your website using Hostinger. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.